the beautiful melodic sounds of being along the river. River Days is back this weekend with fun along the Detroit River. The celebration is filled with music, food, and lots of entertainment. It stretches along the Riverwalk from west of the GM building all the way to Milliken State Park. And Local 4's Will Jones is live for us along the riverfront with a preview of what is happening today. The sun is up, Will, and what do you have?
Good morning, Lauren. This half hour, we're talking about the 5K race. They are getting ready for runners. This gets underway at 9 o'clock this morning. Joining me now is Allison Cordellini with DMC. Just tell me about the race.
Yeah, so our race today starts at 9 a.m. Registration's still open. It's $30 to register. You can go at any pace you want. We really encourage participants to come down from all ages, and you can walk, jog, and there's still plenty of room available. We have 850 participants this morning. Yeah, and 40% more this year than last year. So.
And if you participate, you get into the festival for free.
For free, correct. Yes, yes. So we just really encourage that the whole family comes down and enjoys this beautiful day and this fun event.
Tell us what you do with DMC.
Yeah, so I represent our DMC Sports Medicine program. I work with our docs, our physical therapists, athletic trainers in the area to treat all of our athletes as well as their families.
And you all are here today to do that in case someone needs a little help?
Exactly, exactly. We'll be located right down here near the Port Detroit sign at the end of the race, so stop on by to ask more questions and information about our programs.
Thank you for your time this morning. I appreciate it. I don't know if, Bernie, you could show that, but they get T-shirts. So if you participate in the race, you get to go home with the T-shirt. Again, this gets underway at 9 o'clock. The River Days Festival starts, though, at 11.